Are you done with your video already?
No, I haven't actually started it yet. I'll get to it in a little while. Right now I'm watching this really good show. Oh, hi, Mrs. Vertikov. This week's lesson, it's not quite ready. I sort of worked on it. I got busy doing some other stuff. Okay, bye. Oh, what was I thinking? I spent all day binging on this great show, but I didn't get any of my work done. Oh, if I knew that I was going to feel this bad, I would have done things differently. Do you ever wish you could see into the future and keep yourself from feeling miserable? Well, guess what? You can. And all you need is a map and a peek into the future. So here's the deal. You have way more control over your feelings than you might realize. Now, don't get me wrong. There's a whole bunch of stuff in life that you can't control. But a lot of how you feel is connected to how you act and the decisions you make. A choice map like this one can help you get a peek into the future so that you can think about your choices and be respectful to your future self. All day long, you have opportunities to make choices. What you do now will have consequences and will affect how you feel later, which is the future.
I know that if I work hard on my project, I will feel proud of myself. I might even get a shout out from my teacher.
When I don't follow the recess rules, I have to take a timeout on the bench. That makes me feel sad. I'll make a better choice.
You have the power and the ability to make choices, and those choices will determine the outcome for your future self. The next time you are having a hard time getting started on your work, try stopping and thinking about your choices. See what happens when you show some love and respect to your future self. And I'll see you next time.